Alright guys, I'm back at it with another Hidden Fates trading card tin. So let's see what this has got in it. Hopefully we can get some pretty awesome shinies out of this guy. Still haven't, out of all packs and tins that I've opened, I have not gotten the elusive Shiny Charizard yet. That Raichu GX, good for deck building. Alright, pack 1 with Mewtwo. See what we got. Aw, cute little Eevee. Alright, Clefairy, Psyduck, Ekans, Caterpie, Coughing is our foil, and Arbok. Alright. Alright, let's check out pack number 2. Got our Shiny Charizard on the front of this pack. Let's see what we get inside. Another Eevee right out the gate. Aw, they're twinsies. Alright. Wow. Wow. That was a very similar pack. Zapdos. Oh, cool. So back-to-back Zapdoses. We got a holofoil and a reverse holofoil right next to each other. It's pretty cool. Alright. Pack number 3. Alright. Oh, we got something there. Staryu, Jigglypuff, Ekans, Geodude, Cubone. Oh, nice shiny. Froakie. Oh, awesome. And we got a full art special trainer. Jesse and James. That's pretty awesome. Now that was a pretty great pack right there. We'll get those guys in some sleeves here in a second. That's awesome. That is a great look. That is super cool, the reflection on that. That's a cool card. Alright. Alright, so pretty happy with that. Let's see what the last pack gets us here. Alright. Got Ekans, Cubone. Oh, we got another good pack here. Magikarp, Geodude, Clefairy, and BAM! No way! This is what I've been waiting for. I have opened so many freaking packs. There it is, baby. Charizard GX Shiny. Oh my gosh. How freaking rad is that? That's a $200 plus card right there. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is freaking rad. Ah, that is awesome. Finish up the pack there. Jolteon and Energy. And do you know who cares about anything else? It doesn't matter. Look at that. So freaking gorgeous. Oh, lordy. My son is going to be so jealous and extremely pissed. Very cool. That is definitely the best tin that I've opened out of the Hidden Fates line. That is absolutely fantastic. And the last pack in the tin, that is awesome. Couldn't be any happier with that.